Hello all, Python programming training and certification. First of all, Python will be introduced along with the entry level of the certification. This is the entry level of certification. After the entry level of the certification, you can plan for the associate level of the certification, and then will be professional level of the certification. In professional level, there will be two level, programming one part and programming two part. So this is the actual hierarchy of Python. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the last one. In fact, here you can see this is the entry level, then associate level, then last is the professional level. In professional level there will be two kind of the level and certification. In fact, if you are planning for the entry level of the certification, this is the criteria. You must have 70% score if you want to pass this exam. After the Python, you can plan for the cyber security, you can plan for the machine learning, you can plan for the ethical hacking, you can plan for the networking. In fact, Python is the backbone of all those different technologies. Once associate level of the certification will be clear, so you can plan for the professional level of the certification. This is again 70% passing mark and syllabus. If you want, you can see here, otherwise we'll share later. And then there will be level 2 again. So after the Python, if you want like machine learning, otherwise cyber security, then after there will be bright future for the IT scenario, for the banking sector, for government sector and some other sector. Then after you can plan for the job. This is the small idea about the Python programming knowledge as well as the certification. Basically, duration will take 2 to 3 months to learn this Python, and will be good if you have a knowledge of C programming before Python. So this is the whole thing. Thank you and all the best for your career.